Yentia, Mr. Speaker, for this one, kill and Tia.
And this is for Omucha and Trotro every day. Trial, and Nana, you somebody in Amo, Omudi Dumsor Levy.
And one pound to me on the platform, so can say, Mahama, enemy assassin of Kufuado.
Hey, we are sepa. It is an quotation a trend our Ghana Hanamo, a John 2025. Mahama took away Levy and brought in Dumsor Levy. But concerning Dumsor Levy, Mahama Dabende. Above all, just a kill and jail.
Mr. Speaker, for this one, kill and Tia.
Concerning Dumsor Levy, and I say energy sector levy, His Excellency Don Mahama, the energy minister Don Dinapo, Omakomutiabum together with Ato Forsen, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Mahama Ato Forsen energy minister, Omakomutiabum, Atnasia Junos, young energy sector bill, Emra, as in for Levy Emrano. Salevy Nebuzia, Ghana drivers for any Omu mates. I reply to that same answer. Mahama concern will be a party, drivers phone to ya. Bawumia, Abafaya Mahama. And of the TikTokers, Montreal, how we so, Omubo Gumbi, and so permit, His Excellency John Mahama. I Penyah Block Media. Mess was any dim. Over like a video, now that over subscribe button, as I'm a click notification upon the latest update. Now, better why you mammy ever comments as much as Baswa. Once you more for any be assured. Ain't me, be a meme tap a receipt, Japan. Only make cancel my credit receipt at Akoto. Ain't me kai on the 13th of January 2025, during the ministerial vetting of Ato Forsen as finance minister designate. Ato Forsen we signed a BB about scrapping of the three taxes, the COVID-19 tax, the levy, and the betting tax, for sure. Or framing these three taxes as nuisance tax. And what I say, obey your flow. Anyway, as an Ato Forsen, who you flow on? Sika pay, and Ato Forsen. Only the poor man. Ato Forsen man, and also, one name. Oh, may you free one. Now, me friend, I know how to boost, the economy, how to generate revenue without just say, the economy, how to generate revenue without creating any new taxes. For tax to be a man. Because baby, I got a fortune here and here tax. Debbie. Economy is good. You're good. I want the idea to know. Here tax. But interestingly, 5 months in office. Just 5 months. 5 months if woman can die right. 5 months if woman can die right. 5 months in office. Electricity bill, echo 14.07%. Water bill, echo 4%. Okay, 18%. Sooner. Yanka was a way. Bon consumer be more. Dumsor Levy. You between 1 city for every letter of fuel bought. You between 1 city on net.
To help raise additional revenue to fund the needs in the power sector, the government is proposing an increase in export price of petrol, diesel, and related products. The impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. The Speaker, I repeat, the impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cedis. And this will mean that consumers will not have to pay extra for the price of petrol and diesel beginning today. Right, Honorable Speaker, our simulations suggest that there will be no increase in the export price of petrol and diesel in the next window beginning today if the levy is imposed. This is because of a strong Ghana cedi. Right, Honorable Speaker, the levy will serve as a dedicated source of funding to the power sector, and the proceeds will be earmarked for the procurement of essential fuel for power generation. The Speaker, this will ensure that Ghana enjoys stable electricity.
What is before us is the Energy Sector Levy Amendment Bill. And basically, it is saying that Ghanaians should give one Ghana cedi each when they buy a liter of fuel so that we can end Dumsor. That's all. 1 cities. All of us should contribute 1 cities. Just 1 city per, so that we can end Dumsor. 1 city. Each of us, when we buy fuel, 1 liter.
The prices are going down.
1 city. And Mr. Speaker, it is not illegal.
What I say? Out of forcing. You will tell you. Now, when are the floor of Parliament, Grano? Minority side, Obika Masa, Mr. Speaker, Mon Country Mahama say, kill it,
Very sensitive, and we on the minority side, Mr. Speaker, for this one, kill it.
Now, they are I never am like one adjono, and will pass this particular bill. I better minority for every one of Akko, one by called to parliamentary sitting. Ubukwana will pass this, move at 2 months ago. I told you, say, I've never called, and I was, of course, any good. Young, and I'll grow, this sound. Umutu Abanese, O Mancasa, Rene, Edomade, Biwi, I will say, if you check on ever start Ayajuma. I was a buyer, Anna Bawumia. Bawumia said, now one dizzy free. Yet you let you buy it, and you want a more child, the pa, and my crack as a by a be from still moody child, a back as they be Frankie and farmer, and my mush Ghana for as a mobile move for taxi be a more dog Ghana for your home. Say, you're never fragadam, and dizzy, say the fragadam.
And this is for Omucha and Trotro every day. Opieu Ntua Omucha. And Nana yo somebody in Amo Omudi Dumsor Levy aba. Dumsor Levy. So first no almost Levy. Na yedi aba. Omobeyi Levy no omobeyi. And then Omudi Dumsor Levy aba. It is 8 times the levy. Oman suswan yo. And then uto 1 liter of petrol, 1 cedi no betri. Uto 1,000 cedis of petrol, ubetria 83 cedis. 83 cedis as tax. Levy no usende obi 1,000 momo, ubetria 10 cedis. And then Umbetia for 1,000, Umbetia 83 cedis for fuel. We niming more air beba. By the time you be do 2028, Ghana Yinabe who said Umucha and Trobibri, Mimiji say Umube country and say Yansan Babio and Bafa Abino and CC Ghana.
Never fragadam. Anna drive for any mate for. I said, yeah, but what's the come from? They come madam pine. It is here 2 films. Yeah, they were good drivers for so. Obviously, I said there be. Some railway partner Banadia, or Mahama and Yagin. And some Mahama at try any cabby, a lot of people could do. Go to me, name. What I say? Old me now for come on, Chmanka how we so they are, Eddie. Almost to be power man, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Enti one pound to me on the platform so can say Mahama enemy assassin Kufuado no. Nani Paul can say what deceiving Mahama pow. Where a insult. Edi Mahama so be can say so enemy assassin Kufuado. Abra kura Mahama no one him say ntesa. So they say Kufuado go for Levy by ye. Must say a pickpocketing. And I must not go for fuel tax aba. It's one the so a arm robbing because more and that pickpocket more than put the arm robbing asabi and young class of wasem. So I say it is Aquasiano down the platform so can say Mahama enemy assassin Kufuado. Me didn't say now or more Mahama. So what I say now was said no. Then they say what kind of papa Bemo Mimi when say now was said no because sabi obi passing momo Levy. Now go passive fuel Levy asabi. That's all friendly panel so your pickpockets in there. Then you wo am robber.
Entina emrebi eba bedru ama NDC edi bibia edin Levy ene daso abagana muha ana. Hey, we are sepa ehu na NDC di Levy eye campaign ewo kromu ha enumpo na eye 1 cedi on 100 Ghana cedi. Say NDC for the adie bi a friend fuel Levy aba say auto 1 liter bia ubetua 1 cedi eti meto 4 liters a metua 4 cedis. Jesus Christ. Na moya na da forza hey edie ben kura science woni Ghana for na mama ya di NDC achi nyina ya koto ama ya papa Mahama ama Robin Peter to pay pai mobile electricity bill matum 14%, water bill matum 4%, afa the fuel levy 1 liter bia metia 1 cedi. Jesus Christ. Na MPP for ne de omwa na medem from so be mo because akonwa omwa na da ne de cheye. Aye. Omwa na da ne de cheye. Na it's too painful. Obeto fuel 1 liter bia obetia 1 Ghana cedi aka ho. Fuel levy. Na din na ye friend Levy no NDC de beba biem e wo Ghana ha. Ya twa mo 2028.
NDC for CR and MPP for start Levy some no omode ba ko na eba ye de be solve problem omode ba ko na eba de be solve problem na fe Levy ye tua COVID levy ye tua dining levy ye tua tax na de ben de be Levy ne levy se mo twemo a mo mi entina eba bia na petroleum levy se de also
last year 2024 March and I catch them say China for aba abe take over Ghana in na monkane no eti Dumsor be sha se aba e kwan be nso na China for fire o mo babe take over in na monkane e maybe e twam Akufuado e de ko parliament se o jebusia e ma parliament to jitum na o manya baby a ko se China eti China for na eti no e ne ka se yempene ma ko China for ko disika so o jo mu siko ba beje eti March 2024 and no baby take over and it's in am kane aboyedin Dumsor na bad na this abai person catch you say we got the men on the ombe ni say see auto eye petrol eye gallon ba bia ye beto 1 cedi it is auto 10 gallons ye beto 10 cedi say sika no ebe boa ama ye tumi ni sika ebe so nyina no kane so send the baby ni sika fi ya kase futu na enkoche bosia enfi baby ma NDC for many but I disagree with this levy. You try levy more te ama ye ho atoye more the energy levy eba. What difference does it make? What difference does it make? We do not support this. Anybody do say nekaka na munim sa some the energy levy beba and na mo for so driver for so monte case kaso. Bokodie NDC for Bokodie
Abusia for good morning. and I'm sorry, I'm a poor fool. Easy. Me pacho one who message away. One who message away. Say there. Abane say Obia or tofu obia no so ko tofu I bet 1 Ghana cedis. I feel later ba kubia obeto so. And that's all munyanti fu so because so to 1 liter obetua 11 cedis say 1 cedi ni beka 1 liter ni ho 12 cedis. The value is still the same. We kwa the NDC by not. Enim say mwetwa Levy mwetwa betting tax entini enim say eniema ba be ko ye na we de etia tofu of 500 cedis no e de kokuma ase ni ade no say tofu of 500 cedis abetua 50 cedis na to no mo ye ne de mun she to na ase na mun yi sika ni fa driver for so e na driver ni a we ye sales obe den anya sika command ni ama ne ho asan ko ye sales ama ne master because tofu of 500 cedis abeti 50 cedis tofu of 200 cedis abeti 20 cedis 1 liter bia obeto bia yebeti 1 cedi free so aban we kwa de mesro ato force we de mesro 1 force kura to we de 1 force wahu na auto 1 liter bia 1 cedi yebe ye ni sisi adroba fu esu aramunye Ghana fu obio MPP NDC for marry ni awie ntino mudi 11 ni ba be shefu amu yesremu when kwan they not oh na se musi e wo kwan bebre be fa so ama o man nenye sika entino yesremu sorry ye mani anje kra mani njiyo because fu na mat
Ghana for Monsolio na ibu Mahama the tax kuyai dollar aba fem kura body na Dumsor Levy now there ba ye na do yi Levy wo send 100 cities and at 1 city boy Ghana for ibu di Dumsor Levy now there ba wo tofu 12 cities na what 1 city and then ibu Mahama body beni ayo how the tax kuyai na sanya na de
kakra beka obiani o kakra beka mani Killnet aban ye ka kire mo Killnet aban wa ba be du omo ka kire Ghana fo se monto aba ma ye be yi Levy free ho omo yi free ho busu mienu ntam omo sa introduce di Levy Dumsor Levy yaka mama MPP nwa ye mo hia so tan huno se ye hona na afunu mo Ghana fo and never say full control the economy of this country. You will never be more on mobile money and your choice. They don't do it. Tell me nipa on use fuel and Ghana. Uba froka. On froka. What will be on tukai? You understand? Un tukaya. Umbe tukaya ko fedri aniaba. Na fuel nisika ni ya tosu ma wato. So the economy ni jina fuel so and then the fuel remember say and that break down that so no uto fuel 1 liter bia yet 1 cedi into uto 40 liters uto 20 liters yet so ya de be so Dumsor crofo boa no de akoto o account me say they will deduct this money still there will be Dumsor in Ghana Killnet aban ha scam almost scam we papa Ghana for then chemo be fe MPP mo afi yempo awie ene ye koda so le ye de akọ parliament muya apase ye party yi Levy den tokwa ana mo bubu e mo wo ye sekran ene o ma introduce di Levy Dumsor Levy muntumi so avu Dumsor tisa mo me say ene mo amukita car Trotro drivers mo amukita mo private car mo amudi moto ko adwuma ene ye so ma te petrol so
hwe asana critical company forces a wodi na ada ajo obi ade a enche efiri wonsa eye no kore enche ne ye kwakoto aba na eye NDC ye campaign say yi Levy na ukose ndi usika ma o maame ane ato no eye abususem eto okra de nsesa Ghana ni tua ama eto amanfo asu mom koto aba eye yi Levy firi ono so ate ase eye no kore anche bia na ehu ya ne say ato force okran file ehu ya so abowura parliament adaya energy sector eka wo hono do nti eba betoto light bill and nti omototo light bill mu di kosi say by 3rd May year 2025 year obia ebetua 14.75% sa wokoto light ya de da so no na enu achi no ensusu atum 4%. Obi aso problem bi enim se be ye dumso to betwa na oman ne ma be ye yenti muma ye nyina ye support na eye obi adi tum eye no kore eye enra eye 3rd June na just oba yo ma adu say every month bia omodi new levy beba enra ye wo hono ma ye hu ya ne say ato force say parliament oba ya o say ne de asema basema anso mi mu am yewu na minority ne say ato e de ba asem you again no so enye bibia na emum eye to ne yes na be ma Ghana fo atua eye fie bia mita won bia no efie bia wo betua 1 cedi ena enu achi yesi atete petrol so all right nanso obia wo kwakoto fuel a 1 liter bia ye de 1 cedi asanto so nti so to gallon 1 gallon na ewom 6 liters na wo betua 6 cedis per gallon yen ya yesi atete fuel so enso ye facha sanje anyesa eka ne energy sector no enitimo moaye ehono na eye Alexander Kwame na afenoma kensi gwe abususembe na wodo ano kana to force e parliament ya media me nkrofo 88 ne de enya de beji atumu because mo se eto je enye na uyi levy afiri hono no asa akofa electronic fuel levy aba se wo de ba be support energy sector na munim se ye je to eye na mo de yi levy ye campaign ma yetutie so breaking news ni say yi levy is back. Ye levy is back, but ye levy na a back no we energy sector levy. And into young kwa kakra mediatem. Emma mediatem, ye critical analysis because Ghana, any pen creka. Obi biana watu kwa kudu abrochi him say, abrochi omuntu galam say, omun ya a tax. We are jume we are near to. We are a jume we are near to, okotadi are near a tax the bunidi bulikuru. But what you want also walk enye, usku danye. De benye enso aban say tua tax ya eye NDC aban say tax do tua enye enne wasan akwa fast ade we say nyina de eden ede ba momba yenko kan kakra nyenko wo say the Minister of Finance Dr. Atoke Kesakesin has presented the energy sector levy amendment bill to Parliament seeking an increase to the current rate. According to the minister, the bill aims to address financial challenges in the energy sector, particularly raise funds to cover energy sector indebtedness, including payment of shortfalls and reducing the debt associated with energy sector recovery levy, popularly known as ESLA. It is the other one we have found ESLA, ESLA, that is a electronic what you say, sanity. I say addressing the parliament on Tuesday, 3rd of June 2025, the minister underscored that the recent appreciation of the city would absorb the impact of the increase, with no significant net expected on Dumsor. In response, the minority leader of Parliament, Alexander Kwame Afenyomakis, accused the government of deceiving Ghanaians by pretending to remove taxes while introducing more taxes. I quote, "You claim to have cancelled the ye levy, but you eventually want to introduce the ye levy," he stated. In response, the majority leader of Parliament, Mahama, argued that new levy expected to be pegged at Wednesday is insignificant in the face of the Ghanaians. Ayi minority leaders want to say eto je de enye bibi aye eto aye tifiri eye electronic way de enye na eye majority leaders no pre eto enye na so 1 cedi de enye sika bia magana ni eninti the new levy has been passed. It is okotua light be na okoto light bia o light do na okoto bia na hu se yate 1 cedi a na che se eye electronic levy no for fuel no eno no na aye de aba eninti bia be kire wadwen ema na immediate but oseme kan to say sa levy we no achemu mienu ba akoye for electricity a wodi ofi meter ena ba akoye wo driver ni akwa akoto fuel wo a wo akoto fuel bia 1 liter bia no wodi 1 cedi ena atoso nti e kire wo say ena me kire wo say e kire wo say 1 gallon no e 6 liters ya wo to 1 gallon bia ye 6 cedis na dey atoso it will calculate the number of gallons ma okayema. So this is how far Ghana has become. And it's breaking news. They say NDC has reintroduced electronic levy. no year for energy sector. That is energy sector recovery levy. That is levy. It is back. Tibrabeche wadwin. Meme de to me de enye news be amame. Once the news a starting price bet and say obeka kire gan ani say eto onye na wo do akofa bi dia baso bi nyede etua kire wadwin ma media atene enkoye.
Abusiafo, it is possible President John Dramani Mahama or finance minister Dr. Kesu ato ba force ato eto abeto to petro aye ba beto so sisi na anu ya na yenti ye enche bia na muka say driver for ntete a lorry fresh if say petrol bu abafom ye nyina ye bon price o man no nke beko say ya na so President Mahama any NDC aban say petrol na ya tete so no omo ne de ato beto so it this year so auto petrol 1 liter 12 cedis ubetua 13 cedis na say sika ya ode to so ya de koye de ya wose ya de ko solve Dumsor na never kai say enche bia na energy minister beka kire say Dumsor bia amaye Ghana for complain Kumasi for complain baby bia obi e complain say Dumsor aba and so when this aban si Dumsor my and so le yesi e bajeje 11 cedi e de ko solve Dumsor and to 1 liter e 1 cedi na betua to 2 liters obetua 2 cedis na no ana Ghana for nyina ebisa say President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo any Dr. Alhaji Bawumia 8 years ni o man fa to bia ba beto petrol so an fa beto light so o man fa beto ensu enya kanea 8 good years enti dia na esia na dia na ba President Mahama so odi Dumsor to Dumsor levy Dumsor tax ba Ghana for and nyame adom bibia ko fo ma ye na ye bo aban ye ba so odi atuo we ba beto Ghana for so ye bisa say enti sa atuo ye odi ben a driver for esa abeto lorry fe mu biew ana say omo be maintain prices na sempo so mo ka so mo tumo obeti asia na onti asia so ye Ghana ni e come here say President Mahama ni NDC aban de adi agro and now my levy 1 cedi free wo adechia me de 1 cedi ababeto petrol so say me aban na me de ato so eti wo ko to petrol driver ni a o to petrol na for 1 cedi kan wo ma me na me van ko so e friend say Dumsor adem asem me pa wuti bi penny somewhere aban ben na pa ye be ye baby na magaji was 4 years na that long e be amom de ani omum bi na ya tim ya betina musu say ya
Abusia, so this useless NDC government are passing new tax. Every Ghana for come. Almost friend Dumsor levy. Now, as I Dumsor levy, auto petroleum product beer, say petrol, diesel, kerosene, brake fluid, engine oil. She say any fuel product ubeto say petroleum product ubeto biano. So I Dumsor levy 1 Ghana cedis. Ubetia. Na ne are honene say per liter into every liter of petroleum product obetobia obetua Dumsor levy 1 Ghana cedis. Na me Ghana for mo ho nya me mobo anyeze bia mo ho ya me mobo nti na me ye video na video yi me ba be kire mu how deliberately aban yi ba be mo wasofa na afin so propaganda NDC for yet to give excuse for this useless nuisance tax to rationalize it matrashini nyina che na mo se mo mpe levy na ye optional o send dia na wutua wan send dia wuntua na mo se mo mpe Dumsor levy we upe ubetua o tena ka ma ubetua u yusuka ubetua o to aduane adia ubetua o to atade ahye uyi wuti a ubetua ne wo beye bia ubetua levy no now we send 200 Ghana cedis because the first 100 no exempted nti now we just 1 Ghana cedis as levy and no na say Akufo-Addo ye wicked nti mato aba Mahama levy Dumsor levy no say we to fuel product 200 Ghana cedis we to fuel 200 Ghana cedis ubetua Dumsor levy 16 Ghana cedis eno na mo se bope nti mwanya now NDC propaganda na omoye no before say made the bank ni tie ni we teacher ni we nurse ni we aban adwuma ni we struggling youth now work aketo abi Toyota Vet and say Toyota Corolla busumi bia ubetua between 1200 Ghana cedis and 1500 Ghana cedis as Dumsor levy. Yes, Dumsor levy. We a Trotro driver and I say any commercial vehicle driver cars I can see every month be a would between 2,100 Ghana cedis and 3,300 Ghana cedis as Dumsor levy every month. This is how killer draconian this tax is. Now, rationalization ni propaganda NDC for to give excuse for this useless tax. No, yendele with one many time now me explaining everything. You see, I must say Akufuado a pencil. Now for boy was sort of 15 Ghana cedis and then about 12 cedis. And to would ya extra 1 cedis and yeshe he will be a becker size and we actually on any park no ni munyansa tieni. Fuel prices are above form no, because of say dollar no above form. External factor na fuel prices no above form. Mahama any ho she or nye ho she. You understand? Now ya woniya ma miensa ema fuel prices ekosro na say above form. Ye di kan taxes and margins aban no edeto fuel products so. Na etoso mienu international market. Crude oil prices say kosora ye beto so say ba form ye beti so ana ne toso miensa dollar the exchange rate say exchange rate ne kosora ye beto so say ba form ye beti so. Now the factor are accounting for fuel price ba form exchange rate dollar na ba form no Mahama ne na aban admit say dollar no ebesia kosoro. Yes, dollar na bedu 10 point something. Ebesia kosoro and per penifo and nimdefo ma by the close of this year. Exchange rate in a free 10 point something ako 15 Ghana cedis. And this is the implication. And then fuel price about 12 cedis because it's a dollar about 10 cedis. Dollar no equal 15 cedis. Fuel prices besenya kosoro. Because Mahama in 2014 or the policy be by a friend did regulation and every 2 weeks biano a year and penny fortune say no mashe factors are a fuel price a cost one as a platform which includes dollar no oma vary price no until next 2 weeks almost enough a year dollar na kosora almost besenya increase a year fuel prices. Enti Antoine Kopem say afi be kwa wiye dollar never could do 15 cedis no. Fuel prices ebesia kosoro. So you are going to pay for the increase in fuel prices as a result of dollar na ebesia kosoro no. Now we're saying tria this useless tax 1 cedi Dumsor levy per liter. Enti Trotro mienu na wo ba bejem and it is estimated say by the end of this year Dumsor levy no together with a dollar na ebesia kosoro no ebema fuel prices akwa koduru somewhere 17 Ghana cedis per liter, which is higher than about 14 cedis Akufuado de Mahama. And so be catch that was say fuel prices our form and ye communion for 1 cedi and to each liter of fuel products as well. That person is a washing assume because dollar ne cost running to fuel prices one. Uber betria a useless tax away and the increase as a result of exchange rate in a eba cost run. At the impona say a buying Ghanaians any reprieve from global crisis are rocking a deal how our brain since 2020. Yenya reprieve Argentina was signed the extra burden but to Ghana for so. You see, it doesn't make sense. Ghanaians are going to suffer in the long run. I hear so by next year, dollar nebesia kwakuduru baby say one. You guys will be bearing the brunt of this useless NDC government insensitive policies.
Comment section. How you Penyah blog?